It was the second week of February. I was staring at this wide jetty in front of me. I learned its name to be Wat Prayun or Wat Prayurawong Sawat Varavihan. The color was piercing and yet soothing. One of the very first encounters on this land of Siam. This is Thonburi.
Gambling turned out good.
A rather small organ of a larger system located near the west bank of the Chao Phraya. Bangkok, a city of many masks. Of saffron robes and golden stup by day, and of neon crowns by night. There's a concept in Thailand called Sanuk. It suggests the joy of life. The people here are in pursuit of their joy in the busy streets. Be it through work or via leisure, pleasure was the goal. The red tiles of tiered roofs lined with golden Layong decorations beckon to us with the same promise. Here in the Wat Thana district, the narrow street of Soi Cowboy awakens. A place where light blossoms like the orchids of electricity. And laughter spills like a restless river. The night welcomes you to a new world of lights. Neon is the new temple bell of the city. Its glow calls not to prayer, but to pleasure. On this street, joy is performed, purchased, and pursued. Yet within each smile is also Grain Zai. The deep Thai courtesy, a quiet awareness of others, even in a world of bright chaos. Beneath the surface, Soi Cowboy is not only about entertainment. It is about survival, identity, and belonging. The country Thailand has 76 provinces as of 2025 and one special administrative area of the capital city of Bangkok or Krungthep Mahanakhon. The black vein through its heart is the Chao Phraya River. The Thai word Bang means a village on a stream. Our interest today involves this light green SkyTrain route. The BTS Sukhumvit line. It follows Sukhumvit Road closely. We are at the station named Asok. Soy Cowboy is a short walk away from here. Soy in Thai means a narrow street. Soy Sukhumvit 22 is a 150-meter long stretch of neon wilderness. It draws the expatriates to a familiar sense of belonging as the night grows in this foreign land. These lights dazzling tonight will dim tomorrow. The music pulsing like a heartbeat will fall silent at dawn. Yet for now, the street becomes the theater, where actors and audience are the same. The mark of existence reminds us of impermanence. Soy Cowboy derived its name from a retired American airman from the Vietnam War named T.G. Edwards. He often used to wear a cowboy hat, earning him his nickname Cowboy. Edwards opened a bar right here in Soy Sukhumvit 22 in 1977. It was only the second bar here that time. However, before the century turned, it would be one of 31 others. Nonetheless, it remained the most important place for a vibrant nightlife. His friend Bernard Trink first referred to this street in his columns as Soy Cowboy, and the name stayed thereafter. The city has many faces. The air is fragrant with fresh blossoms of the night. Thailand has decriminalized marijuana use and cultivation since 2022. Therefore, they have dedicated shops showcasing different species and cultivars with relative chemical constitution, labeled neatly over glass shelves. We were not ready to call it a day either. The music and the lights kept on rising and crashing till we budged again and again. Apt, isn't it? Our day ends with the familiar tunes blaring through the speakers as we move rhythmically with the beats of Soy Cowboy. doubt that this trip to Thailand is a musical journey now.